Hello guys, welcome to Best Ever Stone Design. I'm Emmanuel. We are located at Temakombi 25, but we do delivery nationwide. We do installation too as well. So currently we are working on a project at Koforidua, Densuano. So over here you can see the unplastered building as it is. It is not plastered, but we are cladding the whole building, including the plastered one too. Because of the rising dampness, we are going to install some of the stones under the building to prevent it from dampness. If I say rising dampness, I hope you can see it. You can see how the water under the earth is destroying the building. So something like this, we have to lay the stones to the window level, or let's say somewhere here, to prevent the rising dampness. You can also see this side too as well. So this dampness, if you don't treat it with this our natural stones, in the near future you'll be suffering from removing the plastering, replastering it with chemicals, and that won't be the best way. So come and have a look at it. I hope you can see this area. You can see this portion. So at an early stage, don't paint your building straight away. Let us come and treat it with this our natural stones. You know, these marble stones are able to absorb this moisture under the earth or from the building. So over here on my left hand side is unplastered building. Yes, I hope you guys can see. So come close. These are the type of stones we are using for the installation. You can see how thick it is before we will give it mortar before installation. So this is it. You can see clearly that this portion is not plastered. Okay guys, come over. So this is where we've got into so far. So you can see this portion from down to top. You know, this is a smaller building and this is a bigger building. Okay, so guys, so let's go around so that you have a look at it. So in this case, if you have your project or you have it in mind of cladding your building at an early stage, you don't need to do plastering. You just have to give us a call after the blocks have been laid and then your roofing have been put on top of the building. Kindly give us a call. Let's visit your site, take measurements, and then give you an estimate. So this is it. You can see it over here nicely. Even touching it feels very cold. Yes, it gives you some natural coldness in the room. And look at how we design the windows, you know, all our stones. So we decided to use the colors to design the window edges all around. Okay, so guys, come. So even the porch, we are going to clad inside the porch too as well. We'll be cladding the porch inside too as well. Yeah, so this is it. This type of stones is called the tapa cutting stones. The tapa cutting stones, if you want only the grey ones, I can give you only the grey ones. And if you want the colors, I can equally sell the colors too for you. We do installation too as well. You just have a look at the corner mode. Look at it from this angle and see how it is looking beautiful. Okay, come. So this is how far we've got into. Yeah, so this is how we do it. You guys should come and look at the back of the building. This one, forever and ever, you are not going to face dampness issue. You are not going to plaster. You are not going to paint. You are not going to do any renovation on the building. But one thing I will advise you to do before you call us to come and clad the whole building is to do your electrical works. I mean the chiseling work in the building and then the plumbing work. The pipes that are supposed to come outside must come outside before we come and do the cladding, because ours is finishing. You know, we are doing the installation. After it, we do the washing and then everything is perfect. So guys, let's have a look at it all around. So you can see the work very nicely showing on your screens. Yeah, so this is the back of the building. This is the back view of the building. So when we are done, we are going to wash it for all the dirt to come down so that you can see the beauty or the natural beauty of the stones. And moreover to these stones, we can cut it into different measurements. We can cut it to 2 by 10, 3 by 10, 4 by 10, and we can even cut the larger ones. Let's say 12 by 12 for compound. Okay, guys, so let's keep going. Yes, this is the right side of the building, and you can see how it is looking very nicely. So over here, I delivered 20 kia of the copper flat stones to the site, and we did the curtain at the site here. You know, I brought all the raw materials to the site, and I did the curtain over here. So after the curtain, this is what we got. This is the benefit of you cutting your stones at the site. So after cutting the stones at the site, this is what you will get. This is what we call the takwa cutting shells. Yes, this is what we call the takwa cutting shells. So we are going to be using the takwa cutting shells for the arcs. Yes, for the arc. This is some of the shell stones. This is some of the shell stones. We are going to be using them for the arc. The arc is 1, 2, 3, so that we can get some contrast. You know, so that we can get the contrast. And then, so that is how we do it. So guys, this is where I'll end today's update. Probably if you are done with the building, I'm going to give you guys an update for you guys to see the good work that you are doing. So you can see this portion, all is unplastered. Thank you for watching. Kindly like the video, share for others to see the good work you are doing. Thank you.